What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this really quick video because this is probably one of my top questions. I probably get asked this question at least 5 times in a day. Although I have so many rice water videos and I even have a rice water playlist, I don't think like people would ask me this same question all the time, but nonetheless y'all ask me this same question all the time. So in this video I am going to be telling you guys how to use rice water, and I'm going to be telling you guys 2 ways that you can use rice water. You could use rice water on your hair, but you also could use rice water on your skin. I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways that you could do that. So if you're interested in learning some more about rice water, stay tuned. Okay guys, so y'all know I normally put my rice water in this spray bottle. Currently I do not have any rice water right now because I just wash my hair and I just use rice water on my hair, so I didn't want to be using it too much. Nonetheless, I still felt the need to share this video with you guys because it's going to really help you guys. Anyways, and I'm also going to leave a link of my full wash day routine down in the description below if you want, if you like to see how it's done. Rather than me saying how it's done, I'm going to leave that in the description below. But in this video, I'm pretty much going to just save you the hassle and tell you real quick how to use rice water. So how I use rice water is after I shampoo my hair, I apply the rice water, I dump it all over my hair, and then I take a shower cap and I put it over my head and I sit under my dryer, which I can't sit under my dryer anymore because my dryer is broken and I need another one, and I haven't ordered another one and I haven't bought another one, so I can't sit under my dryer no more. So I'll just be like leaving the rice water in my hair for at least like an hour and then rinse it out. So if you have a dryer, if you have a hooded dryer, you would sit under your dryer for at least 30 minutes and then rinse out the rice water and then apply your conditioner, rinse that out how you normally wash your hair, right? If you don't have a hooded dryer, you could just leave the rice water on your head, you know, with your shower cap on. Leave the rice water on your head for at least like an hour. And if you sit outside in the sun, that's fine, just to get that heat in. And then after that, you rinse out the rice water, apply your conditioner, and then rinse that out. That's one way that you can use rice water for your hair, and that's how I use rice water for my hair. Now, another way you can use rice water is on your skin, right? You try and get flawless skin, you try and get good skin, you try and get your skin glowing or whatever. Rice water will do that for you too, boo. Okay, it's not just for your hair, it's for your skin also. So I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways that you could use rice water for your skin. So the first way you could use rice water for your skin is with a cotton ball. So you have your rice water. We're pretending, okay? We're pretending, guys. We're pretending, okay? So you have your rice water and you are going to put the rice water on your cotton ball, and then you're going to use your rice water as a toner. So you know the toner is usually your last stage in your face routine. So after you cleanse your face and you do your exfoliation and all of that, you apply your toner, right? So the rice water will be your toner. You put it on your face. Oh, it's feeling so good. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then you are going to let it dry or whatever, and then you're going to apply your moisturizer and carry on with your day. Another way that you are going to use rice water is you could DIY your own little face mask. I mean, you could cut it and shape it up to fit your face or whatever. But if you like me and you ain't got time for all of that, this is another way you could do it. So you are just going to saturate your paper towel with your rice water. So you dump it all over here. Let me wet this real quick so I could show you. Okay, so this would be your paper towel all drenched with rice water. We're pretending, guys, we're pretending. Okay, so this is your paper towel all drenched with rice water, and then you're just going to put it on your face. Oh my gosh, and pat it in, pat it in, pat it in, pat it in. And then let it sit on your face for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you just rinse it out. You could leave it in your marinade in your face, but I like to rinse it out. Okay, I'm going to be doing a video coming up in the near future where I do my experiment and I try rice water on my face. Y'all know I have really good skin, you know, I don't have no acne or nothing. You know, when I eat chocolate, it's fine, my face don't break out or nothing. Or when I eat cheese that I love so much, my face don't break out at all. Okay, I do not get up in the morning after eating some Johnny cake and cheese and all my face have breakout. Like, that don't happen. That does not happen to me. So I don't really need rice water, but that is a lie. But nonetheless, I am going to be trying rice water on my face for my little blemishes or whatever that I normally get sometimes. No, I don't normally get it, okay? I don't get it no more. That's it, it's done. But I have like a few little scars, like probably right here or whatever, or right here. So I am going to be using the rice water on there to see if it fades scars. Like, we don't know what all rice water could do, okay? So I'm going to be testing it out for you guys, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and keep in mind that down in the description I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be leaving a link to the full wash day routine for rice water if you guys are interested in visually seeing how I do it. I'm also going to be leaving a link of my rice water playlist down below, so if that's something you're interested in, definitely go and check it out. I truly appreciate all you guys' love and support. Y'all make me feel so good inside and outside. Anyways, my birthday is coming up. Next week, Tuesday, July 23rd will be my birthday. So I am doing a poll. So go in my community tab. I'm going to be doing a poll. I want you guys to help me decide what hairstyle I should put in my hair for my birthday, you know. Should I do a lace front? Should I do a bob? Should I do box braids? Like, I don't know. Like, I just know that I want to be looking extra cute. That's all I know for my birthday. I'm trying to be slaying. So help me guys decide. Help me guys decide what? Help me decide in the community tab. Go and vote, okay? Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya! Bye!